So what we have here is another Sommer setup. You can see we have a beam in the way. So a standard opener would not work to get the full height of the door. So the old way to do it was we would have to convert the springs over to torsion, mount a jack shaft opener on the sides, move electricity. Now with the Sommer, we can just cut down the rail, detach the electrical box, we have the motor, and then here we have the, I don't even know what you call it, but we're mounting the J-arm to the back side of the motor to make sure that we get all the height we need. So let's see it. So we're all the way closed. Here's the end of the rail, our detached box. We're gonna hit the button again. We're all the way back. We get more than enough height. This is why Sommer is awesome.